Welcome to SafeMindsAI. In this video, we will guide you through the Parent Dashboard, your central hub for staying connected with your child's AI experience. On the dashboard, you can view recent conversations, starred chats, important alerts, and images your child has created. SafeMindsAI is designed with transparency in mind, giving parents clear insight into their child's interactions with AI. If you want to dive deeper into your child's conversations, simply open the chat history section. Here, you can read through previous chats, revisit favorite discussions, and see how your child is learning, exploring, and asking questions. This feature helps you stay engaged with your child's curiosity and growth as they interact with SafeMindsAI. Next, let us explore alerts. If SafeMindsAI detects content that may need your attention, you will find it highlighted here. Each alert provides the full conversation context, allowing you to review exactly what happened and decide if any follow-up is necessary. Our commitment to transparency means you are always informed and empowered to support your child's safe exploration. If you ever have questions, feedback, or need assistance, reaching out is simple. Just use the support option in your account to send us an email. Our team is always ready to help and values your input. Thank you for joining the SafeMindsAI beta.